Hey guys, today I'm going to be putting back together my instrument cluster for my Del Sol. If you don't know how to take it apart, check out my other video. I've got a great walkthrough on how to do that. So we'll get started right away and we'll knock this out really quick. It shouldn't take you any time at all. So I like to start with the back and go ahead and put back on our tachometer and those first. Remember, there's 7 of the longer screws. And those go in these 3 holes here. You got 1, 2, 3. Get those screwed in a little bit, and then you got your speedometer, which goes here. And there's 4, which are the last 4 of the longer screws. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. So you can go ahead and screw these in. 1. And do not crank down on these, guys. You don't want to crack your plastic or rip this copper connector here. One of the connectors that goes under the screws. So just get those snug. Don't crank down on them. There we go. Remember, these are the longer screws. I don't know if the short ones will cut it. And then we'll do our clock next. It goes there. And just hold that in place. Make sure all the screw holes line up. You got to make sure that you're not threading the screws in the wrong way. Once you get one of these in, and the rest will come easier because you don't have to hold it. And again, there's 7 of the shorter ones. So, oops. Should use my right hand. I'm not left-handed. Get a few of these screwed in. And these are the 7 short screws. So at this point we're almost done actually. Go ahead and put your gas gauge back in there. And if you actually care about your cluster, I would recommend being a little bit more careful with it than I am about this one, or with this one, because I really don't care about this cluster. I don't even know if it works. So let's go ahead and get these screwed in. If you're having trouble getting them screwed in, make sure that they're threaded right. This one's at an angle. Now to make sure that your gauge is correctly seated. do not want to lose one of these screws, guys. These ones will be really hard to find. Alright, so got all your gauges back in. And go ahead and put this piece back on. Okay. We got our 2-piece, which goes like that, and that goes in here with the one screw. And then finally, make sure you get that connector. This side is up with the 2 ridges. It slides in right there. Boom, got that connected. And then that. There's that. So we are ready to put the faceplate back on. And again, if you have plasma gauges or the rings here, this is the stage where you want to put those on. Make sure that those are assembled. You can go ahead and click this bad boy back in. Make sure it's clipped on all the clips. And then take this piece here, and you can see how it's got the rubber. Just push it in there, and then I like to just kind of turn it a little bit, a little push in it, and you'll get that little rubber piece back under the plastic again. There we go. And then your caps piece goes on the dimmer switch. And we have one more piece left to install, and that's this middle piece here, which goes like this. And there's the left-handed again. I'm going to stick to my right hand for sure this time. And voila. Fully reassembled. Good to go. Simple as that. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely let me know, and I'll let you guys know how I can help.